Challenge was underway. Each team has 4 hours.
They were too far.
That's one right there, partner.
That's what I'm talking about. Did he go down?
Yep.
See feathers anywhere?
No. I have got to find it before Will can shoot, so I'm taking up my partner's time and my time. So I gotta be quick with it and find this dove.
You know, as you look at this challenge right here, it's real interesting because alternate shot really puts a lot of pressure on these guys. At this point, Clark's already shot 5 times, missed all 5 times. That's Cody's first shot, he stoned it. However, he took his eyes off the bird. They can't find that bird, so there's certain ramifications that come with that. So it's a very interesting scenario that's going on at this point here.